Good day, viewers. Welcome back to POCOTO Online Tutor. On this lecture, I'm going to teach you on how to match multiple PDF files online. How to match multiple PDF files online. Now match it together, 2, 3, 4 documents of PDF. You can match it online easily. Let's get started, and remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for new updates. The first thing to do is we need to look for PDF file PDF file to use. I have PDF file on my system that I want to use. The first thing is to go to Google. Go to google.com. Go to google.com. Next thing to do is search for merge PDF file, PDF online. Now here it is. So the next thing to do is click on combine PDF file tools. That's so that PDF. Click on combine PDF files online. Here is our website. The website I use to combine merge PDF file online. Next thing to do is choose file to combine. Let's click on this. I want to click on this one. Add these two. Add these 3. You can see this is 3 PDF file I want to match. Then what next to do is click on merge files. You can see merging. Wow, all the PDF files has been matched. Then click on download. Has been downloaded. Click on open. Let's open it and to see our documents we downloaded. Let's open to see our here is the document we just downloaded. You can see the first page is EBK. So let's go down. This is another page, EBK. Remember that we mark 3 documents together. This is the third EBK. That's the 3 documents we just matched online. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching.